There's an infestation in my mind's imagination. I hope they choke on smoke because I'm smoking them out the basement. This is not rap, this is not hip hop. Just another attempt to make the voices stop. Rapping to prove nothing, just writing to say something because I wasn't the only one who wasn't rushing to say nothing. This doesn't mean I lost my dream. It's just right now I got a really crazy mind to clean. Know what I mean? No, I didn't understand a thing you said. If I didn't know better, I guess you're all already dead. Mindless zombies walking around with a limp and a hunch, saying stuff like, you only live once. Yeah, once. You got one time to figure it out. One time to twist and one time to shout. One time to think, and I say we start now. Because death inspires me like a dog inspires a rabbit.